हेलो एवरीवन, गुड इवनिंग। तो आज पेपर हमारे सामने है, सीसेट पेपर। तो फर्स्ट रिएक्शन अबाउट सीसेट पेपर की 2021 की लाइन पे ही है। काफी स्टूडेंट लाइक दे आस्क मी सर नंबर ऑफ सीट्स आर मोर, माइट बी सीसेट पेपर विल बी इजियर, बट ऐसा नहीं है। ओके, इज दिस ऑडियो वीडियो ओके? ओके, सो गाइज आप अपने कमेंट में पुट कर सकते हैं जो भी होगा। तो लाइक this is the live session. I will take the questions with the explanation and answer key we will release by tomorrow. So here I don't know the set what I have, so that's why we have the question also. So question number 4 in my set, what is the value of x in the sequence 20 10 10 15 30 75x? So I will check with my paper as well, because team got type this in at the in short notice. तो यहाँ पे क्या है, like it is divided by 2. See the relationship here, first divided by 2, or sorry, it is multiply by 1 by 2. Multiplication we will see, multiply by 1 by 2, multiply with 1, multiply with 1.5, multiply with 2, multiply with 2.5, next will be multiply with 3. पहले हाफ से मल्टीप्लाई किया, फिर 1 से, फिर 1.5, 2, 2.5, so next is we multiply with 3, so it is 75 into 3, we get 225. So this question answer is D, 225. Okay, so we rate this question as easy question, manageable. Next is question number 5, difficult because it is very lengthy, and as I told the student, if you find any question lengthy you can leave, because we targeted 50 question at the max. So all 80 question is really difficult to target in the paper. Question number 5 कह रहा है, an identity card has the number A B C D E F G, not necessarily in that order, where each letter represent a distinct digit, 1 2 4 5 7 8 9 only. The number is divisible by 9. Complete number is divisible by 9. If you take the total of this, it is a 9 multiple, so it is based on the divisibility rule, but it is not that easy question. Divisible by 9, तो ये सारी डिजिट आ रही है उसमें, divisible by 9 है. After deleting the first digit from the right, सिर्फ से लास्ट में मतलब right, the resultant number is divisible by 6. So if you see the combination, so the rightmost digit has to be 9, because no other possibility to check the divisibility of 9, and if you ignore the last digit, complete number has to be divisible by 6. After that, deleting 2 digits from the right of the original number, the resulting number is divisible by 5. Divisibility of 5, it has to be either 5 or 0, but 0 is not there, so here for sure this digit has to be 5 here. After deleting the 3 digit from the right, the original number, resulting number is divisible by 4. So here it has to be divisible by 4. So the last 2 digit has to be divisible by 4. And here these 3 digit are divisible by 3 according to question. So what combination we get for first 3 digit? 1 4 7. Okay, or you can change it 7 4 1. So we can change it. But first 2 digit are divisible by 2. So here it has to be 4. So I tell you, we are getting 2 possible value, 3 4 5 6 7, it has to be 9, it has to be 5. Here we have 1 4 7 or 7 4 1. So we have number, one is 7 4 1 2 5 8 9, and we have one more possibility, 1 4 7, because it is divisible by 2, this is divisible by 3. After that it has to be divisible by 4, divisible by 5, divisible by 6, divisible by 9. So here if you read question carefully, it is asked the resultant number is divisible by 2. Which of the following is the possible value for the sum of the middle 3 digit of the number? So middle 3 digit number, either you are getting 8 or you are getting 14, but 14 answer option is not given. So for this question answer is A, 8. Or you can check this 2 number here, 7 4 1 2 5 8 9. So this is lengthy, yes, time consuming question, because we have to see divisibility of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 9. Now our next question. Question number 6, 2 friends X and Y start running. They run together for 50 meters in the same direction. So you take any of the direction. After reaching a point, X turn right and run 60 meters. Y turn left and run 40 meters. Y 40 meters. X turn left and run 50 meters. So X run 50 meters in this direction. y turn right, so in this direction you have to assume yourself as a part of question, your y, so this is your right 50 meter, so it is same, so you have to make a parallelogram here or a rectangle here. So what is important, this 50 50 wrong, this is 100, so this is also 100 meter. How far are the two friends from each other now? So they are 100 meter far from each other. So this question number 6, answer is a 100 meter is our answer. Next question, where they ask which date of June 2099 among the following is a Sunday. And I told you like what we will do for this type of question. We take 1st January 2001 as a reference Monday. We will navigate to 1st January 2099 yearly navigation. You have 98 year total year and you have number of leap year 24. 98 is divisible by 7, 24 divided by 7, you get remainder 3. So here in yearly navigation we get 3 odd days. After that monthly navigation we navigate from 1st January to 1st June 2099. We cross the month of January, Feb, March, April, May. We reach June, January 3 odd days in a normal year. 2099 will be a normal year, Feb 0 odd day, March 3, April 2, May 3. 3, 6, 8, 11. 11 divided by 7 we get remainder 4. So it is plus 4. So then 3 plus 4, 7. 7 means 1 week. So 1st June 2099 Monday. So after that you add 6 days, you get Sunday. So 7th June Sunday, 14th June Sunday, 21st, 28th June Sunday in 2099. So answer is 7th June. This is the question of all three navigation, yearly, monthly, date navigation. You have to reach year of 2099, manageable. Next is question number 8. A bill for rupees 1840 is paid in the denomination of 50, 20 and 10 notes. Total 50 notes are used. Consider the following statement. You have to use only 50 notes and you have to pay a bill of 1840. So first statement here is, if you use 25 notes of 50, so 25 multiply with 50, you get 1250 rupees here. Remaining 25 notes at the max extreme case, if you use of 20 rupees, you get 500. So your amount will become 1750. तो आप 1840 का बिल नहीं पे कर पाएंगे. इफ यू आर यूजिंग ओनली 25 नोट्स ऑफ 50, तो अमाउंट बन जाएगा 1250. रिमेनिंग 25 नोट्स, बिकॉज यू हैव टू यूज टोटल 50 नोट्स. अगर आप 20 रुपीज का यूज कर रहे हो तो 500 एक्स्ट्रा, तो 1750 रुपए बन रहे हैं. पहली स्टेटमेंट रॉन्ग है. 35 नोट्स ऑफ 20 रुपीज, तो यहाँ पे अमाउंट बन गई आपकी 700. इफ रिमेनिंग 15 नोट्स, क्योंकि यू हैव टू यूज टोटल 50 नोट्स. अगर आप 50 रुपीज का यूज कर रहे हो, यू आर यूजिंग ऑफ 50 रुपीज, you get 750 plus 700, 1450. Still you are not able to pay 1840 rupees. Third case में you are using 20 notes of 10 rupees, 200 rupees. Remaining 30 notes, if you are using of 50, 1500, still your amount becomes 1700. So you are not able to pay the bill of 1840. Which of the above statement are not correct? So here there is 1, 2, 3. Answer option D में लिखा हुआ है 1, 2 and 3. All three statement are incorrect. So answer is D. 1 is wrong because one combination, first combination also not giving the amount of 1840. Second combination also not giving you this amount, giving only 1450. Third combination is also not giving the amount of 1840. So answer is 1, 2, 3. All three statements are wrong, incorrect here. Yes, you will get the key by tomorrow. Which number among us 2 is to power 40, 3 is to power 21, 4 is to power 18, 8 is to power 12 is the smallest? Some student by mistake they found the greatest. It is the smallest. So here 2 is to power 40. So you can write it as 4 is to power 20. This is 3 is to power 21. 4 is to power 20 is larger than this. So this is greater. This is 4 is to power 18. This is 8 is to power 12. So 8 is to power 12. You can make it 2 cube 12. So it becomes 2 is to power 36. So it is also 4 is to power 18. If you check 4 is to power 18 and 3 is to power 21, it is smaller. So what is the smallest? 3 is to power 21 is smaller than all this value. So this is the smallest. Question number 9, answer is B. Question number 10, lengthy question. The digit 1 to 9 are arranged in 3 rows in such a way that each row contains 3 digits, and the number formed in the second row is twice the number formed in the first row, and the number formed in the third row, ye first, second, third, this is double, this is triple, thrice the number formed in the first row. Repetition of digit is not allowed. If you are using 1, so 1 एक ही बार use होगा, you cannot use 1 again. Repetition is not allowed. If only 3 of the 4 digit 2, 3, 7, 9 are allowed to use in the first row. So if you can use only 2, 3, 7, 9 in the first row, how many such combinations are possible to be arranged in the 3 row? So first we will see what are the combination for the first row. You can have a combination of 237, 239, first row. You have to use 3 digit. Then 273. You have to make a combination from this 237, 239, 273, 279, and 293 and 297. Second row has to be double. So I write 474. It is a repetition, not allowed. So it is wrong. Here, what is the double of this? 478, triple of this 717. So this is not allowed. This is wrong. 273, it is 546, it is 819, perfect. So this is possible, one possibility. 279 give you 558, so repetition not allowed, wrong. 293 give you 586, and then you get 879, 8 and 8, repetition not allowed. 297 give you 594, repetition not allowed. So in case of 200 range, you are getting one possibility, that is first row you put 273, second row you put 546, third row you put 819. But here there is one more thing in case of 300 wala. See here, in case of 300, 329 is possible. Sorry, 327 first, 329, 372. When you take 372 threes are, it come 1116. It become 4 digit number, but it has to be a 3 digit number, so not possible. So we take double of this, which is 654, 981. So this is also possible. In first row you put 327, second row you put 654, third row you put 981. Here this is 658, this is 987, not possible. So there are two possibility, first row, second row, third row, first row, second row, third row. In exam, this type of question I suggested to the student, they can leave because it is very lengthy to check all the combination. So there are two combination we are getting. So you can note down, you can check two combination for this question. Question number 10. Next is question number 11. X and Y run a 3 kilometer. Question number 15. 3 kilometer race along a circular course. Length of the course is 300 meter. The speed are in the ratio of 3:2. If they start together in the same direction, so this is X and Y, they start in this direction, how many times would the first one pass the other? The start of is not counted as passing. So starting time mein we will not consider, they are together. So what is important here? The speed ratio is 3:2. So when X cover 300 meter, Y will cover 200 meter. So just see here, when X cover one round, Y will be here, 300 meter, 200 meter. When X cover second round, means 600 meter, then Y will cover total 400 meter. So Y will be here. When X complete the third round, 300 into 3, 900 meter. Y will cover 200 into 3, 600 meter. So here both will be at the starting point. See here, both will meet at the starting point once X will complete 3 round, 1, 2, 3. In the same time, Y will complete the 2 round. So here in a 900 meter, X and Y, they will meet once. Okay, so in 3 round. Next is the 6th round, then is the 9th round. So here, when X cover 300 meter, Y cover only 200 meter. When X cover total 600 meter, Y will be at 400 meter mark, 300 plus 100, when x cover 900 meter, y cover 600 meter. So here after 3 round, x and y will be at the starting point. Then after 6 round, after 9 round, so 3 times x and y will meet at the starting point. Manually is the better. You check manually. जब x 300 मीटर कवर कर रहा है, y 200 मीटर कवर कर रहा है. जब x 600 मीटर कवर कर रहा है, तो y 400 मीटर कवर करेगा. 300 प्लस 100, y यहाँ होगा. जब x 600 मीटर 900 मीटर कवर करेगा, 1 राउंड, 2 राउंड, 3 राउंड. In that time y cover only 2 round, 1 and 2, they will meet at starting point. So when x cover 6 round, y will cover 4 round. Okay, if they start together in the same direction, how many times would first one pass the other? क्योंकि जो रेस है 3 किलोमीटर की है, वंस x कंप्लीट 3 किलोमीटर, तो x चला जाएगा, तो x और y 3 ही बार मिलेंगे. It doesn't depend on y, it depend on the x. x 9th राउंड में y को मिलेगा, x का 10th राउंड कंप्लीट हुआ, y बीच में है, तो x चला गया. So 3 times, because this is the race of 3 kilometer. Some students they mark 5 as a answer by mistake. Next is if the order of the letter in the English alphabet is reverse. We have done this type of question. So reverse ranking can be used. So here Lucknow, Lucknow. L is the 12th, U is the 21st, 3, K is 11, N 14, O 15, W 23. So if you see the reverse ranking, ranking from the starting plus ranking from the last is 27. So it will be the 15th, it will be 6th, it will be 24, it will be 16, it will be 13, it will be 12, it will be 4. So 15 से it will be O, it will be 4, it will be D. तो ये खत्म, ये खत्म. It will be 6F. So this is F. There is no need to check. It is X. It is P, M, L, D. So here question number 16 answer is D. Reverse. Reverse. Now next question. Question number 17. I tell you two methods. In a tournament of chess having 150 competitor, a player is eliminated whenever he loses a match. It is given that no match result in a tie or draw. How many matches are played in the entire tournament? See, this is player A, जो कि बाहुबली है, ठीक है, चेस के मामले में. तो what A will do, चल रहा है क्या इसमें, देखना दीपांशु को बोलना एक बार. ए बाहुबली है, ये सबको हरा देगा, सेकंड प्लेयर को, थर्ड, फोर्थ, फिफ्थ, 150th. तो ए विल हैव 149 मैच. तो ए अकेला बचेगा. सो हियर हाउ मेनी मैच आर प्लेड इन द एंटायर टूर्नामेंट? 149. दिस इज वन ऑफ द मेथड. सेकंड मेथड, अगर ज्यादा दिमाग लगाना है, देयर इज अ 150 प्लेयर, सो देयर आर 75 प्लेयर, 75 मैच. तो 75 प्लेयर बचे, फिर उसमें से 74 प्लस 1, तो देयर विल बी 37 मैच. बट अभी एक प्लेयर बचा हुआ है, तो हेयर 37 में 36 एंड 1, तो इसको 36 प्लस 1 करो. 36 के लिए 18 मैच, और ये 1 और 1 का 1 मैच एक्स्ट्रा, ठीक है, या इसको अभी 1 ही रहने दो, 1 एक्स्ट्रा. तो दिस इज 9 मैच, ठीक है. 9 में 4 मैच बट 1 प्लेयर एक्स्ट्रा. बट यहाँ पे 1 और 1 का एक गेम हो चुका, 5, ठीक है. तो 5 में फिर 2 प्लस 1, फिर क्या आएगा, 1 प्लस 1, 1, 1 प्लस 2, 3, 3 प्लस 3, 6, 6 प्लस 5, 8, 8 प्लस 9, 17, 37, 74, 75 plus 74, we get 149. So number of matches we will get 149 in both case. और डायरेक्ट कह सकते थे कि देयर इज ए बाहुबली है, वो बाकी सबके साथ मैच खेल के हरा देता है, तो देयर विल बी 149 मैचेस देयर. दोनों केसेस में आप यू ट्राई ऑल द पॉसिबिलिटी, आंसर इज कमिंग 149. हाउ मेनी 3 डिजिट नेचुरल नंबर विदाउट रिपीटेशन are there such that each digit is odd and the number is divisible by 5? तो there is a condition on this. इसके नखरे हैं, 5 होगा, and each digit has to be odd. तो यहाँ पे no repetition, without repetition it can be 1 3 7 9. So this is filled in one way, it can be filled in 4 ways. For example, we have used 3 here, so it can be filled in remaining 3 ways. So there will be only 12 such number are there. We have discussed this type of thing. So there is a condition here 5, it is filled in one way, it is in 4 3 because each digit is odd here. One of the good question. Next is question number 19. Consider the question and two statement given. Is x an integer? Is x an integer? Answer नहीं पूछ रहा, वो पूछ रहा x integer है, yes or no. If it is, can you confirm yes or no? So it is given 3x is an integer. Statement 2. I take 3x is equal to 4. For example, 3x is an integer. So what is x? 4 by 3. So is x is an integer? No. But if I take 3x is equal to 12, then x is 4. तो sometime x is integer, sometime not. Statement 2 is not giving a clear idea. ये कह रहे हैं कि is x integer, x क्या integer value है? तो here statement number 2 से अगर we try 3x is an integer. I take different possibility. I take 3x4 and 3x is 12. Then x is coming 4 by 3. No, x is not coming integer. X is coming for yes. So it means statement 2 is not sufficient to tell whether x is integer or not, because I'm allowed to take 3x4. X by 3 is not an integer. So 4 by 3 is not an integer. Or if I take x is 4 by 3, then it will be 4 by 9. It is not integer. Okay, but if I take it is a 12, x is 12, 12 divided by 3 is 4, x is an integer. आप x की वैल्यू 4 लो, तो it become 4 by 3 is not integer. ठीक है, तो x is integer yes, या x by 3 को मैं 4 by 9 ले लूँ, x by 3 is equal to 4 by 9. So it means x is 4 by 3. No, x is not integer. So both statement is not confirming you whether x is an integer or not. So here answer is both statement 1 and 2 are not sufficient to answer the question. Answer is D. Okay. So you can take different value and you can check. So sometime x is coming integer, sometime x is not coming integer. Question number 20. PCZ we use. The increase in the price of the certain item was 20. 100 से 25% increase है, it become 125. Then the price is reduced by 20%. What is 20% of this 25? It become 100. Then again the price is increased by 10%. It become 110. What is the resultant in the price? Overall there is a 10% increase. So question number 20, our answer is B. 10% increase आ रहा है overall. PCZ. Next is question number 24. Letter A, B, C, D are arranged in such a way that there are exactly 2 letters between A and D. How many such arrangement are possible? So there are 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Manually we will do. A और E के बीच में exactly 2 होने चाहिए. If I put A here, तो E will be here. So remaining 3, it can be filled in 3 ways. It can be filled in 2 ways. 1. तो 6 possibility, but E will say I will sit here, A will sit here, तो 3 into 2 into 1 6 यहाँ होगा. Now A will say I will sit here, then E will be here because exactly 2, so it can be filled in 3 ways, 2 ways, 1 way, 6. So E will sit here and A will sit here, so 3 into 2 into 1 6. So your answer is 20. Because there are exactly 2 letter between A and E. यही केस बनेंगे. First you take A on the first position, you take E on the first position, then you take A on the second position, E on the second position. You cannot take A on the third position because between A and E exactly 2 number has to be there. So A और E के लिए like what you can do, first, second, these are the cases you can check. Middle में you cannot put either A or E, that will not match. 24 is the answer. Manually. Next is question number 25. Consider the following 2 statement given below. This is blood relation thing and I think it is clear to all of you. Is Z brother of X? Z brother of X. Z male. Can you confirm or not? I check with statement number 1. X is brother of Y and Y is brother of Z. Z is Zahir Khan or Jia, or we don't know. Z gender we cannot confirm. If Z is the brother of X, we cannot say Z can be brother sister. So statement 1 alone will not confirm what is the gender of Z. Statement 2, X, Y, Z are sibling. We don't know who is brother, who is sister. So here statement 2 also will not confirm what is the gender of Z. Z male hona chahiye to confirm that Z brother of X. So here both statement are not sufficient. So in this question answer is D. क्योंकि Z का जेंडर कंफर्म नहीं हो रहा दोनों स्टेटमेंट से. क्वेश्चन नंबर 26. वन साइड ऑफ ए 1.01 किलोमीटर, इसको मीटर में कन्वर्ट कर लो, 1010 मीटर लॉन्ग रोड, 101 प्लांट्स आर प्लांटेड एट इक्वल डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम ईच अदर. सो दिस इज द डिस्टेंस. प्रॉब्लम क्या होगा, यू विल पुट वन प्लांट हियर एंड आफ्टर दैट देयर विल बी 100 गैप्स. स्टूडेंट दे हैव टेकन 101 गैप, देयर विल बी 100 गैप्स and total distance is 1010 100. So here there will be a gap of 10.1 meter in two plants. तो जो दूसरा प्लांट होगा वो 10.1 मीटर के गैप पे होगा. 10.1 मीटर थर्ड प्लांट, 10.1 मीटर फोर्थ प्लांट, 10.1 मीटर फिफ्थ प्लांट. So here what is the total distance between 5 consecutive plant? So it is 10.1 into 4, 40.4 meter. Some student they mark answer as 40 meter because you have to plant 101 plant. एक पहले एंड पे लगेगा, एक लास्ट एंड पे रहेगा. There will be 100 gaps. तो ये डिस्टेंस जो है वो 100 गैप होंगे. There will be 100 gap. If you have to put 2 plant, there will be 1 gap. If you have to put 3 plant, 2 gap. 4 plant, 3 gaps. So 101 plant, there will be 100 gap. तो वहां पे 100 गैप होंगे सर, 100 गैप. ओके, दिस टाइप ऑफ सिली मिस्टेक सम स्टूडेंट दे हैव डन, तो बी केयरफुल. सो हियर दो प्लांट के बीच में डिस्टेंस बनेगी 10.1 मीटर. तो 4 गैप बनेंगे 5 प्लांट के लिए, तो मल्टीप्लाई विद 4, 40.4 मीटर. दिस इज वन ऑफ द गुड क्वेश्चन आस्क्ड. क्वेश्चन नंबर 27. Question number 27 is A, B, C are 3 places such that there are 3 different roads from A to B. 3. From B to C there are 4 and A to C there are 3. So here the rule is when you go this way 3 into 4 12 plus 3. So in how many different ways can one travel from A to C? If you are going by B you are taking 12 ways. यहाँ से जाएंगे तो 4, यहाँ से जाएंगे 4, यहाँ से जाएंगे 4, तो इट बिकम 12 प्लस 3 15 इज द आंसर. A to B 3, B to C 4, मल्टीप्लाई हो जाता है 3 into 4 12 and A to C directly there are 3, so these are direct ways. Your answer will be 12 plus 3 15 is the answer. Question number 28. A has some coin, he gives half of the coin and 2 more to B. B give half of the coin and 2 more to C. C give half of the coin and 2 more to D. The number of coin D has now is the smallest 2-digit number. Some students they have done mistake. They have taken smallest 2-digit number 11, but smallest 2-digit number here is 10. D has 10. Check with the answer option, that is the best. I try with 60 then 52. If A have 60, A give B half plus 2, 30 plus 2 32. B give C 16 plus 2 18. C give D to 9 plus 2 11, but it is wrong. You check 52. अब 52 से चेक करते हैं 52, क्योंकि 60 में it is getting 11, तो आंसर has to be less than 60. A has 52 coins, तो A give half plus 2. What is half? 26. 26 plus 2 28. A give B 28. B give half plus 2. It is 14 plus 2 16. B give C 16. It give 8 plus 2 10. And D is having the smallest 2-digit number 10. Perfect. So here your answer is 52. D is the answer. 60 is wrong. 52. You check with the answer option. ये क्वेश्चन आंसर ऑप्शन से चेक कर सकते थे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 29. If there is a series A B, A B C, A B C D, A B C D E and so on. So this is 1 2 3 4 5 and so on, which letter appear at the 100th place. This is heat and trial. So sum of first n natural number n into n plus 1 divided by 2 will help you. I think 10 से ट्राई करते हैं. 10 into 11 divided by 2 you get 55 9. तो 10 तक नहीं जाएगा, 13, 13 इंटू 14 डिवाइडेड बाई 2, 13 इंटू 7, 91. तो what will happen, 13th alphabet here is M. तो A B C M ये बन जाएगा 91. आफ्टर दैट इट विल रिपीट. 13th अल्फाबेट M तक 91 बन रहा है, फिर A B C D E F G H I 92 93 94 95 96 97 98 99 100. You have to do manually after 91. Sum of first n natural number is used, so answer is C I आंसर है इसमें. Next is question number 30. 3 person A, B, C are standing in a queue, not necessarily in the same order. There are 4 person between A and B. If you check, this is that Salman Khan, Shahrukh Khan type of question. There are 4 persons between A and B. There are 7 person between B and C. Don't take C this side, take C this side. 7 person, 4, 5 and 2. If there are 11 person ahead of C. If you take C like this, it gives you more. We take C is facing like this, ahead. So there are 11 person, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 4, 7, 8, 8 plus 3, 11. There are 11 person ahead. So this direction is ahead. And there are 13 behind A. So 13 behind A, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 10, 13. So there are total 13 and there are total 11. I repeat, there are 4 person between A and B, done. There are 7 person between B and C. If you take C that side, that give you maximum. You take C this side, 4, 5 plus 2, 7. There are 11 person ahead of C. So you have to take 11, 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 4, 7, 8, 8 plus 3, 11. There are 13 behind A, 2 plus 1, 3 plus 10. So 10, C, 2, A, 4, B, 3, 11, 13, 14, 18, 19, 22. So what will the minimum number? Because of the word minimum number of the person in queue, answer is 22. 22. Next is question number 35. How many seconds are total in their X week, X days, X hour, X minute and X second? If you see, we have done week and days question in calendar, but इसमें seconds के लिए पूछ रहा है. That also we can do. Now here calculation, but we can simplify. This is X second. In 1 minute there is 60 seconds. You have to convert minute in second, 60x because of minute. In hour there is a 3600 second, 3600. In 1 day, how many seconds are there? 86,400. You have to simply do 24 into 3600. And in 1 week multiplied with 7, it is coming 6,04,800x. So if you add all this is not possible, this is not possible, and if you check, there is 1x in the last. So 60x not possible, it has to be 61x. 60 plus 1, 61x. So no need to check total because of 61, 60 not possible, 61x. So answer is D. You have to convert week in second, day in second, 1 hour 3600 second, 1 minute 60 second. So this is the idea. Next is question number 36. PQRST you are 6 member of a family. Okay, this is blood relation question, but not that difficult. R is the spouse of Q. R and Q साथ में. U is the mother of T. U is the mother of T. U is the mother of T. S is the daughter of U. S is the daughter of U. P's daughter is T. तो जो T है वो P की daughter है, तो P has to be here. P has to be husband of U. R son is P. तो ये जो P है वो R का son है. R and this is Q. But we don't know what is the gender of R and Q. इसमें husband wife कौन है? Which one of the following is correct? Q is the grandfather. Q can be grandmother. We don't know. Q is the grandmother, we don't know. R is the mother or father, we don't know, but it is confirmed. D, T is the female, T is the granddaughter of Q, confirmed. D is the answer, क्योंकि T daughter लिखी हुई है, T female है. R and Q का gender you cannot confirm, so that's why answer is D. Next question number 37. Consider the question. Two statement given below in respect to three cities P, Q are in a state. How far city P and Q? P और Q के बीच की distance पूछ रहा है. Here this is city Q is 18 kilometer from R. So R and Q is 18 kilometer. And P and R is 43 kilometer, but we don't know where is P. If you take one possibility P 43, then what is the distance between P and Q? 43, 51, 61. But there is a possibility R, Q 18. Here P can be here. This is 25. So P and Q can be 25. Because here it is not mentioned that P has to be this side. If you take P this side or if you take P this side, we have both different answer, 25 or 61. So what is important here? Statement 1 and statement 2 both are not sufficient to answer the question. Answer is D. Because position is not confirmed. So hum exact how far is the city P from Q we cannot find. It is either 25 or 61. We have two different answers. That's why D is the answer. There is no confirm answer. Next is 8 students A, B, C, D, F, G, H are sit around a circular table. Equidistance facing the center. From each other. Not necessarily in the same order. B and D sit neither adjacent to C nor opposite to C. A sits between E and D. I take A here, E here, D here, but you have to take one more possibility. इसमें A here, it can be D here, it can be E here. F sits between B and H. Here there is no clearly mentioned, so you have to take different possibility. इसमें एक possibility बनती है. I take F here, B here, H here. I take one more possibility, F here, B here, H here. I have one more possibilities. I have multiple possibilities here in this question actually. One more possibilities. You have different possible value of F, B, H. A, E, D. I take F here, B here, H here. But there is a condition that B and D sit neither adjacent to C nor opposite to C. I tell you. C here, G here, C here. You can check. C is neither opposite to B or D nor adjacent. So in this, like it is asked which of the following is definitely correct. B sits in between A and G. Wrong. One is wrong. B क्या कह रहा है? C sits opposite of G. Wrong. E sits opposite of F. E sits opposite of F. इसमें ठीक है statement 3. But in my next possibility, E sits opposite of F. It is wrong. Here, in this case, all are wrong. यहाँ पे क्या बनेगा? This is C and G. Because C cannot sit adjacent to D or B or opposite. So here, first statement is B sits in between A and G. No, one is wrong. Second statement is C sits opposite of G. C is adjacent of G. Wrong. Third is E sits opposite of F. No. E sits opposite of C. Third is also wrong. So here we have different possibilities because we have very less information in this question. So we have different possibilities. तो इसमें definitely correct नहीं हो सकता. The word is definitely correct. तो थोड़ा सा हमारा दिमाग यहीं खुल जाता है. Definitely correct. None of the above. None of the above. You can take the screenshot of this. You can check. यहाँ पे possibilities बन रही है काफी सारी. I have made 3 possibilities. तो इसमें none of the above is my answer. Question number 45 in my set, or I will say next question. 5 friend P, Q, X, Y, Z purchase some notebook. The relevant information is given below. यहाँ पे अगर ध्यान से देखेंगे, this is given P and Q together purchase 21 notebook. Q purchase 5 notebook less than P. So P plus Q is 21. There is a gap of, if you take लेस देन p, इसको x मानोगे, दिस इज x प्लस 5 इजकल टू 21, 2x प्लस 5 इज 21, 2x इज 16, x की वैल्यू आएगी 8. तो इट मीन्स q हैज परचेज 8, p हैज परचेज 13. तो p हैज परचेज 13, q हैज परचेज 8. p परचेज 5 notebook more than x, so it means x also purchase 8. X and y together purchase 28. If it is 8, so y you have purchased 20. Z purchase 8 notebook more than x. If x purchase 8, Z purchase 16. So based on second and third statement, you can find the value of p and q. Then you can find the value of x. Then you can find the value of y. You can find the value of Z. How many total notebooks will be there? 16 plus 16, 32 plus 13, 45 plus 20, 65. If each notebook is price rupees 40, so multiply with 40, the amount will become 2600 rupees. Answer is 2600 in this question. Simple था. Second और third statement में you solve p and q, then you find the value of x, then y, then z. Question number 46. And as I told you, CSAT में like other than the basic formula, हाई-फाई formulas नहीं चाहिए, और you can use answer option. Like 46 difficult, but we will use answer option. A man started from home at 4:30 hours and drove to a village, arriving there where the village clock indicated 3 o'clock 15 minutes. After staying for 25 minutes, he drove back to a different route where the length is 1.25 times of the first route at the rate of twice as fast, reaching the home at 4 o'clock. वो घर पहुंच रहे 4 बजे. As compared to the clock at home, the village clock is 15 minutes slow, 5 minutes slow, 10 minutes fast, 5 minutes fast. If it is 10 minutes slow, okay, if it is 10 minutes slow, so it means it is showing 15:15, but exact time has to be 3 hour 25 minutes. स्लो है वो. यहाँ पे 5 मिनट स्लो, तो 3:20, 10 मिनट फास्ट, 3:05, यहाँ पे 3:10. तो वी विल चेक विद द आंसर ऑप्शन. फर्स्ट आई चेक फर्स्ट, देन A, D, B, C ऐसे करेंगे. सो हियर इट इज स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम होम टू विलेज. So what this person is doing, from 2:30 it start, it reach 3:25 actually, if it is 10 minutes slow. अगर वो clock 10 minutes slow है, मेरी clock slow है, ठीक है, एक्चुअली 9 बजे है, इसमें 8 दिखा रहा है, तो 1 घंटा स्लो है. टाइम पीछे दिखा रहा है, स्लो मतलब पीछे दिखा रहा है, तो एग्जैक्ट टाइम 3:25 हुआ है. तो इट टेक 55 मिनट. उसने 25 मिनट रेस्ट किया, 3:50. अब वो 10 मिनट में पहुंचेगा. कितना भी स्पीड बढ़ा लो तो डबल में 10 मिनट नहीं, 27.5 मिनट, और डिस्टेंस भी बढ़ी है. दिस इज रॉन्ग, क्योंकि 3:50 से 4 बजे हाउ ही विल रीच वेयर द डिस्टेंस इज ऑलरेडी इंक्रीज 1.25 टाइम्स. देन वी चेक 5 मिनट फास्ट. 2:30 पे इसने लीव किया, 3:10 पे विल रीच द विलेज. ये फास्ट है घड़ी. एक्चुअली टाइम इज 3 hour 10 minute, इट इज शोइंग 3 hour 15 minute. तो वो 40 मिनट में पहुंचा है. हियर 25 मिनट रेस्ट, 3:35 ही इज बैक. तो ही रीच एट 4 o'clock, he take 25 minute. Now here he has made a speed twice. If speed is twice, if the distance we keep constant, if he is taking 40 minute, for the same distance he will take 20 minute. But since there is an increase of 1.25, 25% distance, so the time will also increase by 25%, which is 5 minutes. 20 plus 5, so he will take 25 minutes in the return journey. Perfect. He is taking 25 minutes, so 3:35 to 4. Perfect. So the village clock is 5 minutes faster. If we solve with simple equation method, it will be very difficult. We check with the answer option. That is the best here. That is the best here. Let me check your comment. So we check with the answer option. Question number 48. 6 person A, B, C, D, F are sitting equidistant from each other around a circular table facing the center of the table. Center of the table. 6 person, 1, 2, to this side, to this side, so that equidistance. Consider the following two statement given below. Who is sitting immediate left of A? Start with first statement. B is sitting opposite of C. B, start with B opposite of C. D is sitting opposite of E. We don't know D, E, D, E. So with statement 1 alone, we don't know what is the position of A. Chalo, we take statement B alone. F is sitting immediate left of B. So we don't know. So you take both statement together. B is sitting opposite of C. F is sitting here. And there is a couple D and D opposite of each other. So only these two position. But you don't know what is the position of D, what is the position of E. But these two chairs are occupied by D and D, either D here, E here, or maybe D here, E here. We left with only this position for A. You are A, this arrow is your face. On your immediate left, who is sitting on your immediate left, either D or E, you cannot confirm. होगा दोनों में से, but we cannot confirm. So that's why both statement 1 and 2 are not sufficient to answer the question, because we have a possibility either D or E. That is the problem here. Question number 49. What is the age of Monisa? We take second statement. 5 years later. So future की बात करते हैं. The age of Monisa and her mother in the ratio of 3:5. So this is Monisa. This is her mom. So 3:5. So we take 3x, 5x. We will not able to solve. So we take help of statement 1. Monisa is 24 younger than her mother. कभी भी at present, if there is a gap of 24 years, 5 years later also there will be. If your father and you or your mother and you have a gap of 24 years, lifelong it remains 24 years. So there is a gap of 2x, which is equal to 24. X will be 12. So it means Monisa is 36-year-old 5 years later, and her mom will be 60 years later. So at present Monisa is 31 years and her mother is 55-year-old. So what is the age of Monisa? 31. If you use both statement, then only you can find. Yes, so statement 1 and 2 are sufficient to both statement. Answer here is C. इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर C है, क्योंकि 5 years later में उनके बीच में गैप 2x का है एंड देयर इज अ गैप ऑफ 24 विद द हेल्प ऑफ स्टेटमेंट 1. वो गैप हमें 24 स्टेटमेंट 1 से पता चला. स्टेटमेंट 2 और स्टेटमेंट 1 दोनों मिला के हमें मनीषा की एज पता चल रही है. एट प्रेजेंट 31 और 5 साल बाद 36. Next is question number 50. Six lecture A, B, C, D, E, F, each of 1 hour duration are scheduled between 8 AM to 2 PM. Which lecture is at the third period? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. यहाँ पे निकालना है. There is no lecture after B, so it is confirmed. F is preceded by A and followed by C. F is preceded by A followed by C. A, F, C. But we don't know what is the position of. It can be A, F, C. It can be A, F, C. मतलब काफी कम स्टेटमेंट है A, F, C. तो at third place it can be C, it can be F, it can be A. So with statement 2 alone you cannot solve. Statement 1 और दोनों से भी, both statement 1 and 2 are not sufficient to answer the question. So here this question answer is D, because we have very less information to solve this question. Actually we have very less information. Next is question number 55. There is a numeric lock which has a 3-digit pin. The pin contains digit 1 to 7. There is no repetition of the digit. The digit in the pin from left to right are in decreasing order. Any 2 digit in the pin differ by at least 2 number. How many maximum attempt does one need to find out the pin with certainty? So there is a decreasing order, left to right, gap 2 का होगा, repetition allowed नहीं है. तो here I try with 7 manual. So it cannot be 6 because there is a gap of 2. 7, 5. It can be 3. 7, 5, 2. At least 2. दो या दो से ज्यादा का गैप होना चाहिए, 7 5 1, बट देयर इज ए पॉसिबिलिटी 7 4 2 7 4 1। 7 से स्टार्ट होने वाले पिन चेक कर रहे हैं, फिर 7 3 1, 7 से स्टार्ट होने वाले 6 कोड हैं आपके पास, देन वी चेक स्टार्ट विथ 6। कंडीशन क्या है, लेफ्ट टू राइट डिक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर होना चाहिए एंड गैप ऑफ एटलीस्ट 2। 6 से स्टार्ट होने वाले 6 4 2 6 4 1 6 3 1, क्योंकि यू कैन नॉट पुट 5 हियर, देयर इज हैज टू बी गैप ऑफ 2 3। अब 5 से स्टार्ट होने वाले 5 3 1, यू कैन नॉट टेक 4 4 2 0, नॉट अलाउड, 4 हो नहीं सकता, तो एट दिस प्लेस यू कैन टेक either 7 6 or 5, there has to be a gap of 2, 5 3 1, so no other possibility, 5 4 हो नहीं सकता, 5 2 हो नहीं सकता, 6 के साथ क्या बनेगा, 4 and 2 6 4 1 6 3 1, 7 के साथ you have 7 3 1 7 4 1 7 4 2 7 5 3 7 5 2 7 5 1, so here 6 plus 3 9 plus 1 10, so here question number 55 answer is 10. How many maximum attempt does one need to find out the pin with certainty? 10 attempt, उसको 10 attempts लगे। Next question, question number 56, this is a geometry concept, there are 8 equidistance point on a circle, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. How many right angle triangles can be drawn using these points as vertices and taking the diameter as one of the sides? And that is required, diameter को लेना ही पड़ेगा, because the concept is if this angle is 180, other side it will be 90. कोई भी point पे check करेंगे, this is 90 right angle triangle, this is also 90 and this is also 90. So you get 3 triangle on this side and you get 3 triangle on this side, 1 2 3. It is A B C D E F G H. So if you use A E as a diameter, you get 6 triangle, 3 on right side, 3 on left side. Then we use B and F, similarly you get 6 triangle. Then we use C and G, C G, you get 6. Then you use D and H, D and H, you get 6. Again you get E and A, वो already हो चुका है. So there will be 24 triangles, right angle triangles are possible. तो हर diameter से 6 triangle, 3 on right, 3 on left, similar. ठीक है, there will be 4 diameter possibles. Question number 57. 24 men and 12 women can do a piece of work in 30 days. How many days 12 men and 24 women do the same piece of work? If someone is saying that they will take more than 30 days, तो आप ये assume करके चल रहे हो कि men are more efficient. तो why to be gender bias? If you are saying less than 30 days or more than 30 days or same, so we don't know if man and woman have same efficiency, so 30 days. If men are more efficient, different answer. If men are less efficient, different answer. So answer is D. Data is inadequate to draw any conclusion. Until unless we know the efficiency relationship between man and female, male and female, we cannot find the answer for this question. So here answer is D for this question. ये सबसे simple question है. Next question. Question number 58. 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99 divided by 1261. What is the remainder? तो इसमें कुछ नहीं था, 1261 आपको पता होना चाहिए. It is 13 से डिविजिबल है, 13 into 97. आपने करना क्या था, you have to check 1261. ये प्राइम नंबर तो नहीं है. You check with 2, it is not divisible. Check with 3, it is not divisible. Check with 5, not divisible. Check with 7, not divisible. चेक विद 11 नॉट डिविजिबल, चेक विद 13, थोड़ी सी मेहनत तो करनी पड़ेगी एंड यू गेट 13 इंटू 97, तो 13 यहां से जाएगा, 97 यहां से खत्म, एग्जैक्ट डिविजिबल, सो रिमाइंडर विल बी 0। तो आपको चेक करना है कि ये किससे डिवाइड हो रहा है। Next is 59. Consider the following statement in respect of the rectangular sheet 20 centimeter by 8 centimeter, 8 by 20। काफी प्यारा क्वेश्चन है, 20 by 8। It is possible to cut the sheet exactly into 4 square sheets. If you read question carefully, 4 square sheets. It is possible to cut the sheet into 10 triangle sheets of equal area. But स्क्वायर के केस में इक्वल एरिया नहीं मेंशन किया, 4 स्क्वायर शीट्स। कैसे होगा? यस पॉसिबल है। 1 is 8 by 8, दिस इज 8 8 8 by 8, तो 8 and 8 16, ये बचा 4, ये बचा 8, 4 by 4 4 by 4, तो दिस इज 1 स्क्वायर, सेकंड स्क्वायर, 3 4th। देयर आर 4 स्क्वायर ऑफ डिफरेंट साइज, कहीं मेंशन नहीं है दैट स्क्वायर हैज टू बी हैव इक्वल एरिया। सो यस इट इज पॉसिबल, वी कैन डिवाइड इन 4, 8 by 8 8 by 8 4 by 4 4 by 4। And how we will make 10 triangles? इसका भी एक लॉजिक है। See, total area of this is 20 into 8 160, and it is mentioned that it has equal area. So 160 in 10 triangle, each triangle will have an area of 16. How it is possible? Half into perpendicular height into base। तो एक पॉसिबल होता है हाफ इंटू 4 into 8, चेक कर लेना 16 बन रहा है, तो उसकी डायमेंशन 4 by 8 बनेगी। हाउ इट इज पॉसिबल आई टेल यू। दिस इज 8, दिस इज 20, 8 by 8, ठीक है। यहाँ पे 4 4, व्हाट यू डू, यू मेक 2 ट्रायंगल, यू मेक 2 ट्रायंगल, दिस इज 4 by 8, दिस इज 4 by 8, 8 by 4 8 by 4, तो इसी तरह से ऐसे। और व्हाट यू डू, अगर इजीली आपको समझाना चाहूं, दिस इज 8, दिस इज 20, इसको 5 भाग में डिवाइड कर लेना, 4 4 4 4 4, दिस इज 8, 2 ट्रायंगल 2 ट्रायंगल 2 ट्रायंगल 2 ट्रायंगल 2 ट्रायंगल, so we get 10 triangle of size 4 by 8 and this 10 triangle sheets have equal area, so second one is also correct, both 1 and 2 possible। yes, question number 59, answer is C। question number 60, a bit tricky of the percentage। when 70% of a number x is added to another number y, sum become 165% the value of y। I assume x is 100, तो 70% of 100 is 70, so if in y I add 70, so it become 165% the value of y, so it become 1.65 of y। you take y this side, so it become 1.65, 165% of y is 1.65 y minus y is equal to 70, so 0.65 y is equal to 70, if you check y it will be 70 upon 0.65, it will come more than 100 plus, so it means y is greater than x, you can check। second case I take x 100 only, 60% the number x is added to the another number z, the sum become 165% the z, 60%, so 60% of 100 is 60, तो what I do, z plus 60, z में मैंने 60 ऐड कर दिया, it become 165% of z, so it become 1.65 of z, तो you take z this side, तो 60 is equal to 1.65 z minus z, 60 is equal to 0.65 z, value of z will come 60 upon 0.65, see here, तो 100 ऊपर चला जाएगा, 1600 upon 65, so this is denominator is bigger than 60, value will be less than 1, तो here z will come less than 100, ये 100 से छोटा होगा, तो x is 100, y is more than 100, तो y x से बड़ा होगा, z x से छोटा होगा, z इज स्मॉलर देन x, z 100 से छोटा है, y 100 से बड़ा है, तो आंसर इज ए, z इज लेस देन x, x इज लेस देन y। ठीक है, क्वेश्चन नंबर 64, two candidate x and y contested an election, 80% of the vote cast, 80% of the voter cast their vote and there were no invalid vote and there was no nota। ठीक है जी, 80% लोगों ने वोट डाले, कोई भी इनवैलिड वोट नहीं था, सब समझदार इंसान है और कोई भी नोटा नहीं था। X got 56% the vote cast and won by 1440 votes. What is the total number of the voter in the voter list? Either you check answer option से, like if for example there are 15,000, so 80% people voted 12,000. So here Mr. X get 56% of this and other get 44%. Difference is 12%. 12% of 12,000 has to be 1440. We check 12% of 12,000, तो 10% हो गया 1200, फिर 240, यस 1440, परफेक्ट, ऐसे हो सकता है। और अदर वे, x is getting 56% of the total vote cast, y get 44%, so difference is 12%. This 12% is equal to 1440, 1% will come 120, 100% will come 12,000. These are the, like here, the cast votes, जो वोट पड़े हैं, which is actually 80%. If 80% is equal to 12,000, क्योंकि टोटल वोट जो कास्ट हुए हैं 80% है, तो if you find 100%, it will come 15,000. This is alternate method. You can try with answer option or you can do your calculation part also. Question number 55, what is the smallest number greater than 1000 that when divided by any of these number leaves a remainder 3? It is a LCM question. 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. We take 3 common. So this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We take 2 common. 1, 3 as it is. 2, 5, 3. We take 3 common. 1, 1, 2, 5, 1. You multiply 3 into 2, 6. 18, 18 into 2, 36. 36 into 5, 180. I have taken 3 common, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have taken 2 common, 1, 3 as it is, 2, 5, 3. I have taken 3 common, so 1, 1, 2, 5, 1. So 3, 6, 18, 18 into 10, 180. Okay, so we have to take multiple of 180 and remainder 3. So here, this is the value. 900. After 900, next multiple is 1080. So 180, 360, 540, 720, 900, 1080. These are exactly divisible, but here it is asked remainder. If you recall, it is a multiple of LCM plus remainder concept plus 3. So it is 1083. Alternate method, if you are not able to recall this, check with the answer option. Try this question. Try it with this. If remainder is 3 or not, try this. Answer is coming C. तो आप आंसर ऑप्शन से भी चेक कर सकते हो। नेक्स्ट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 66, P be a 2-digit number, Q be the number same digit but written in reverse order. I told you every year from last 4 years, हर साल एक रिवर्स डिजिट 2 डिजिट वाला क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा है डिफरेंट फॉर्म में। P into Q is equal to 2430. Then what is the difference between P into Q, P and Q? See, it is 30, it is a multiple of 5. Okay, 10, 20, 30 not possible. It means at least one number of P and Q has to be a multiple of 5. So it can be 15, it can be 25, क्योंकि ये 5 का मल्टीपल है। 10, 20, 30 हो नहीं सकता क्योंकि वो 3 बन जाएगा, वो सिंगल डिजिट बन जाता है। 35, 45, 55। अगर 15 को रिवर्स करोगे 51, मल्टीप्लाई, चेक इफ यू आर गेटिंग 2430 और नॉट, नहीं। Here you get 52, multiply. Are you getting 2430? No. It is 53. No. 45 into 54. Check. 45, 54. 180, 225, 03, this is 2430, perfect. तो one number is 45, another number is 54, confirm. कैसे पता चला? क्योंकि ये 5 का मल्टीपल है, तो one of the number out of P and Q has to be a multiple of 5. मतलब या तो लास्ट में 5 होगा या 0 होगा. 10, 20, 30, 40 नॉट पॉसिबल. तो P कैन बी आइदर 15, 25, 35, 45, 55. आफ्टर दैट वी डू मैनुअली. चेक कर लो क्या इशू है. 3-4 ही वैल्यू चेक करनी है. 15 इंटू 51 रिवर्स करना है. 25 into 52, 35 into 53, 45 into 54. So the difference between P and Q will be 9. 9 is the answer. This is question number 69. There are two container X and Y. X contain 100 ml of milk. Y contain 100 ml of water. If 20 ml milk from X is transferred, so now resultant is 80 ml milk. 20 ml milk is added. इसको मिलाया अच्छे से. Then the 20 ml of Y is transferred back. So the ratio of water is to milk is 5:1. 20 ml. तो उसी रेशियो में होगा. तो we will check what will the milk here, what will the water here. So here 1/6 of 20 will be milk, 5/6 of 20 ml will be water. तो it come 3.33, 16.66. तो अब क्या होगा यहाँ पे 3.33 milk, 16.66 water. तो what you get 83.33 milk, 16.66 water. Here, so here water 16.66 निकल गया, तो 100 में से 16.66 water निकल गया, तो water will be 83.33 water, the rest is milk, 16.66 milk. तो then it is asked, अगर क्वेश्चन को ध्यान से पढ़ेंगे, and I tell you in this question nothing to do actually. If M denote the proportion of milk in X, this is M. N denote the proportion of water in Y, this is N. Then which one of the following is correct? So the proportion of milk and water in these two container is same. 83.33 milk is equal to 83.33 water. So M is equal to N. See here you have 100 ml milk, 100 ml water. ठीक है? Whatever you do, whatever value you have. For example, you left with X ml milk and 100 minus X water. तो यहां पे अगर X मिल्क है, ठीक है, तो रिमेनिंग साइड दिस X विल बी वाटर, 100 माइनस X विल बी मिल्क फॉर श्योर. क्योंकि टोटल मिल्क 100 होना चाहिए, X यहाँ पे 100 माइनस X यहाँ होगा. तो टुगेदर दिस टू कंटेनर हैव 100 ml मिल्क, 100 ml वाटर. तो वट एवर 10 बार अगर चेंज करोगे तो भी द मिल्क प्रोपोर्शन इन फर्स्ट कंटेनर एंड द वाटर कंसंट्रेशन इन द कंटेनर Y विल बी सेम. हमेशा M इक्वल टू N होगा इस तरह के क्वेश्चंस में. क्वेश्चन नंबर 70, दिस इज पाई चार्ट थिंग. A pie chart give the expenditure on the 5 different items A, B, C, D, E. B, C, D, E correspond to 90 degree plus 50 degree plus 45 plus 75. ठीक है, इन सबको ऐड करोगे. दिस इज 140 प्लस 120, 260 डिग्री. Total angle is 360 degree. So this means A will have 360 minus 260, 100 degree. तो जो 100 डिग्री का एंगल है वो A बना रहा है. A बना रहा है 100 डिग्री एंगल. This is 100 degree. Then what is the percentage of expenditure on item A? 360 degree is equal to 100%. So 1 degree will be, because it is total 360 degree, total 100%. 100% divided by 360. So 100 degree will be 100 upon 360 into 100. 10 cancel. This is 1000 upon 36 divided by 4. 250 by 9. So question number 70 answer is D. Question number 74. This is 1 into 2 into 3 into up to 15. It is 15 factorial. We have to find 3 is to power m. M and n are the positive integer. What is the maximum value of m? इसमें क्या होता है 15 फैक्टोरियल में कितने 3 होंगे 3 से डिवाइड करो 5, फिर 5 को फर्दर 3 से डिवाइड करो 1 point something, you have to take 1, so there will be 6 power of 3 we have. Answer is 6. This is a shortcut. अब लॉन्ग कट क्या कहता है 1 into 2 into 3, 1 तो यहाँ आ गया 4 5 6, 6 में एक 3 है बिकॉज 2 into 3, एक 3 यहाँ से आ गया into 7 into 8 into 9, 9 is 3 into 3, यहाँ से 2 आएंगे into 10 into 11 into 12, it is 4 into 3, एक यहाँ से आएगा into 13 14 15, 15 is 3 into 5, एक 3 यहाँ से आएगा 1 2 4 5 6, तो 3 की मैक्सिमम 6 पावर यू कैन हैव. व्हाट इज द मैक्सिमम वैल्यू ऑफ m? तो इट इज हाउ मेनी 3 आर देयर in 15 factorial. That is the concept here. What is the value of x in the sequence? 2 12 36 80 150 x. Here difference is 10, here difference is 24, here difference is 44, here difference is 70. You take next level difference. This is 14, this is 20, this is 26, so it is 6 6. So here also 6, 14 plus 6 20, 20 plus 6 26, this is 32. So 44 plus 26, this is 102, 150 plus 102, 252 is the required answer. Yes, we have 252 in the given answer option. Perfect. Okay. Question number 68, there is a correction. This is asked minute hand and the second hand coincide. तो वो तो हर मिनट में होगा 4:58 पे. ओके, थैंक यू फॉर द करेक्शन. तो दिस इज आर एंड दिस इज मिनट हैंड. यस, एक बार तो कोइंसाइड हो गई. यस, तो बोथ. तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 68 आंसर इज सी. देयर इज अ करेक्शन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 68 आंसर इज सी. Next is question number 76. One non-zero digit, one vowel and one consonant from English alphabet in capital are to be used in forming password such that each password has to start with a vowel and end with consonant. तो यहाँ पे number होगा. There are 5 vowel. 0 is not allowed, so 9. How many consonant? 21. So your answer is 45 into 21, 945. How many such password can be generated? 945 password can be generated. Okay, by mistake from our team there are 1 or 2 question missing. I will take again in the next video. 2-3 क्वेश्चन मिसिंग है इसमें. एक तो कॉफी एंड टी वाला क्वेश्चन है, तो आई विल टेक अगेन इन द सेकंड पार्ट. ठीक है, मैं ले लूंगा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 79, व्हाट इज द नंबर ऑफ द नंबर टू फॉर्म, मींस प्रोबेबिलिटी या पॉसिबिलिटी पूछ रहा है. वेयर एक्स एंड वाई आर द डिस्टिंक्ट नॉन जीरो. इफ एक्स इज 9, वाई विल बी 8 बिकॉज डिस्टिंक्ट बोल रहा है, तो 72 इज द आंसर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 79, 72 इज द आंसर. Question number 80, the average weight of ABC is 40, the average weight of BD is 42, the weight of F is equal to B. What is the average weight of A, B, C, D, E, F? 40.5, 40.8, 41 cannot be determined. Many students they mark cannot be determined, but we can determine. कैसे? A, B, C का एवरेज देखो 40 दिया है, तो दिस इज a प्लस b प्लस c डिवाइडेड बाय 3 इज 40, तो टोटल ऑफ a b c इज कमिंग 120 and the average of BDE is given 42, so this is b plus d plus e is 126. ठीक है, what is asked a, यहाँ पे b की वैल्यू निकाल लेना, b will be 126 minus d minus e, we will use this. So then it is asked a plus b plus c plus d plus e plus f divided by 6. I will take in the later part. So b will be replaced by 126 minus d minus e and f is replaced by b. D से d cancel, e से e cancel. So what you get, a plus b plus c plus 126. This is the total weight of this 6. And a, b, c you already know, 120 plus 126, you get 246. How many person are there? 6. 246 divided by 6, your answer is coming 41. I repeat, a b c divided by 340, a b c की वैल्यू 120 आ जाएगी, b d e divided by 342, b d e 126 आ जाएगा, b will be 126 minus d minus e. तो we put the value 126 minus d minus e, d से d cancel, e से e cancel, f को b से replace कर दिया, a is there, b is there, c is there, 126, 246 divided by 6, 41 is the answer. Okay, so thank you very much. By mistake कुछ क्वेश्चन मिसिंग है, आई विल टेक इन द सेकंड पार्ट. थैंक यू वेरी मच. सर क्वेश्चन 47 विद 147 पेन डी. हाँ, तो सबके पास E1 है ना, सबके पास E1 कैसे होंगे, मैंने बस 1 एज्यूम किया था, 60 30 चेक कर लेना, मैंने बस चेक करने के लिए बोला था, फिर आया था 20. ओके, let me check question number 47. A get twice the number of the pen received, B 3 times C, 4 times D, 6. What is the minimum number pen? By that the E1 number, तो इसको डबल करना पड़ेगा, yes, so it will be 294. C is the answer. Question number 47, C is the answer. Yes, 47 answer is C. Yes, E1 number of pen. Answer is C, 294. Thank you. 294. बिल्कुल 47 का 294 आंसर है. C is the answer. Okay, thank you very much. 68, हाँ 68 का आई ऑलरेडी टोल्ड C, हो गया वो करेक्शन. सो देर इज ए करेक्शन, 47 का आंसर C है, 47 आंसर इज C बिकॉज द इवन नंबर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 68 आंसर इज C. 68 इज ऑल्सो C बिकॉज इट इज गिवन द मिनट हैंड एंड द सेकंड हैंड कोइंसाइड, तो उसमें भी C है. तो 47 C, 68 C. यस, ये दो करेक्शन कर लीजिए. तो आई मिस 2 वर्ड्स. यस यस चंद्रशेखर, 68 is C, 47 is C. Thank you very much.